Hey everybody, it's Karen and Stephanie with Food and Family. We have an exciting announcement to make for you. Book number 2 is ready.
It is here.
It is ready. Stephanie picked up a couple today for us to have here at home, and the rest are at the printer, and I will put the link in the description box for you to order it. This one is exciting.
She is so excited.
Yes, and this one has a few more recipes in it.
A lot more recipes.
And has color pictures, so you can actually see some of the food and some of our family that you haven't gotten to see. And
it's set up similar to the other one. The format is all the same. Like she says, we have some that have pictures associated with it. And then on the divider pages where you go side dishes, appetizers, we have as well, along with the page number listed on the picture so you know which one you're looking at.
Yeah. So, but we're excited. We've worked very hard on getting this second one out, and we're already coming up with ideas for number 3. I've got a list going already. Stephanie's working hard, gathering things together for us and researching. So
working on our fall recipes.
Yeah, I'm working on fall recipes. So it's just an exciting time for us, and we're so happy. And we wanted to let you know that they are ready. Now, these books are $24.99, but I think you're going to love them.
And we'll have the link on the bottom of this video, and it will be on the website shortly. It's not there yet, but it will be on the bottom of this video. And the videos that we post going forward, we're going to add it there just so it's more convenient.
Yeah, but book number 1 is still available. Yeah, yes. Don't forget about it. It is a fabulous book, and we've had fun with these. We've had fun doing them and pulling them together. And but we'll get a link. I'll get a link for both of them. And when you go to the link for my website, it'll take you to
the bookstore.
To the store, and it'll take you to book number 1. We're working on getting book number 2, a link just for it on the website. But for now, we're going to send you the link directly to the printer. They'll take your order, and they'll ship it out to you, and they ship really quick.
Really quick.
Yeah, they're shipping.
Like there's been some, I've gone in to pick up when we've had to do reprints. Hey, we just had 6 ordered today, and they've already got them in the mail going out to be delivered in 2 days. Yeah,
so they're shipping same day or next day by the latest. So, but they turn around real quick. So, but I hope y'all are excited as us about this. And I hope you'll check it out. So please join us again. Please like, share, and subscribe to our videos. And we enjoy having each and every one of you in the kitchen. And stay tuned, because we have got fall recipes. Yeah, on the way. And Stephanie's working on some more. So, but we appreciate all of you. And we'll see you soon, everybody.